everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can customize your GIFs, how you can make custom GIFs for your Instagram, for your social media, free, easy and without being techy. So this is Priyanka Dubey and let's get started without wasting much time. So the first thing that you have to do while doing the GIF is to go to Canva. Canva is a kind of free tool, CANVA, and you can just sign up as normal you do for the other apps and uh, browser applications. So here is the Canva. Now you have to go to the create a design option, and here you have to select the custom dimensions. Now selecting the custom dimensions, you have to choose 1000 into 1000 width and height, and you have to click create new design. Once you will do that, you will be redirected to this section where you will be provided a whole lot of pre-made templates, and here in this section you can design your GIF. Okay, so I'm just taking a demo for here as an example. So I'm just gonna select one random picture from here and I will customize it, and I will show you that how you can create your custom GIFs. Okay, so for now we are taking this one, and Canva offers a whole lot of features. If I'm clicking here, I can change the text form, I can change the colors. If it is yellow, I can change it to red, blue, whatever color I want. I don't want this, so I can simply select it and hit delete option from my keyboard, and I want to change the letter from John to hello or hey, something like that. So this is my GIF and I want to make it. Now when it comes to GIF, it is very important to understand that GIF is a kind of transitions. Okay, how you want to make your GIF look like, how it should blink. To make the transitions, it is important that we have to do it here beforehand. Okay, so this is one transition. Now I want to copy this before yeah, after copying, you just have to download the first page. You can do it later as well as you want, but I am doing as I'm working. So I have downloaded this one, and now I want to change the transition of these placement from here to here. Okay, so that's why I copied this, and now I am just gonna change that. Like I want to do something like this, like this. Okay, I want it to look like this. So this is my first transition, the very basic one. This is my second transition. Now I want to create one more transition. I want my GIF to look like this, like three sections. Okay, again I'm gonna download the second part here. Second part is downloaded as well, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate it. This is the button of duplication. Now we have got our third transition, and now I want to place it like this. Okay, so this is how I want my GIF to look like this: the first transition, the second transition and the third transition. So this is all I want, and I'm gonna download the third picture as well. Now okay, we have got our first transition, second transition and third transition pictures. Now we have to convert it. We got our designs, we got our transitions. Now simply we have to create it into a GIF. So for creating the GIF, you again have to open a new tab and you have to write here gifmaker.me. okay, gifmaker.me. Now here I will have to upload the image upload the images. So simply you have to click this button, that is the upload images, and in the downloads you have to write where it is, whatever it is, you have to just upload these all. Okay, you can see how my GIF is acting over here. These are my three transactions, and my GIF is performing accordingly to it, like first, second, third, first, second, third, right? Now, if I want to customize the size, I can do that. Okay, I can do that as per as I want. If I want to change the speed, here it is 500 milliseconds. If I want to change the speed, I can do that. I can simply change the milliseconds button over here, and you will see that it is getting slowed down, right? I don't want that kind of slowdown, so I will just change, and I think it's good, like the 300 milliseconds one. It looks good to me. If you want to repeat, like here it is 0 because I want it to keep repeating and repeating, but if you want to like repeat it like 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, you can do that. If you want to add music, you can do that as well. Okay, so it's completely optional. You want it, you do it. If you don't want it, you don't do it. Now it's all, and I now want to view it, like how does it look. So I simply have to click on this button, and there you can see a whole lot of options over here, like the view the GIF. When I'm clicking the view the GIF, I will get to see that how is my GIF is performing. Okay, these are the three transitions that are working here. It looks good to me. Now if I want to download the GIF, I can simply do that. If you simply want to resize and optimize, you can do that. If you are clicking on the resizing, it will get to you like this. Like if you want to select the aspect ratio accordingly, like the customizable one, you can do that. Or you want to keep it normal, it is completely fine. So you can see that here you have to all play around according to your needs and requirements. Okay, no one can tell you that this is how it should look. It's completely depends that how you want it to look, and this is how you can do that. Here I have selected the best quality image, so obviously it will look good and everything. So that's fine from my side. And if I want to reduce the file size in the case of this particular GIF, then you can simply click over this button, that is reduce the file size of the GIF. And when you will do that, you will be redirected to a page where you can optimize it. There are kind of different optimization methods over here, that is the level 1, level 2, level 3. If you want to use more colors, you want to reduce colors, etc., it is completely depends upon you that what kind of labeling do you want. So if I want to optimize in a kind of level 1, I will optimize. When I'm optimizing, I can see that my old file size was like 30,532 bytes, and now if I'm optimizing at level 1, I'm getting 27,630 bytes. Okay, so that means it has optimized from the previous one. Similarly, you can go for like level 2, level 3, and so on. So that's all. You have done all your things that you want. You have downloaded GIF. You have to just transfer it to your phone and you're good to go. You can put those GIFs in your messengers, in your Instagram stories, anywhere you want on the social media, any other video, any other graphic. So it completely depends that what kind of places you want it to place on. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please hit subscribe, and don't forget to comment and share the video with your friends, the people who want to see that, people who need to see that. And I will see you in the next video.